How to recover password in Facebook Lite if you forgot. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to guide on how to reset password on Facebook Lite app. Firstly, launch Facebook Lite on your device. So if you forget your password, tap the forgotten password link which is underneath login button. Here, you have to find your account entering your mobile number or email address. Whichever you remember, you can easily use it in order to find your account. So let's enter it. Once you tap the continue button, you will get list of accounts where you have to choose your account. Once you choose your account, you will get access to this section. So on this page, you have to tap try another way button at the bottom of the screen. And here you can easily choose a way to log in. You can continue as this account and it will log in automatically, or you can get code or link via WhatsApp on your number, or you can get code via Facebook notification, and here are many more ways. So for now, let's tap on get code or link via WhatsApp and tap the continue button. So here we have got code on our WhatsApp. We need to check WhatsApp to get the code. So once you verify your code, you can easily choose a new password as well and enter the password, and you can easily log into your account. So that's it. I hope you got the information well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.